Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Chromecast with Google TV OS. Okay, to reset it, now just go to the setting manual here, select on it, and now go to system, select on it, and about, select on it, and here you can see the word factory reset, select on it, and confirm to factory reset once more time, and the TV box will reset everything and back to the factory default. So that's it. That is all for today video of how you can select the factory reset setting on your Chromecast with Google TV OS. And now, thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.